Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tony from Lone Wolf Paintball, and today we're going to talk about all the different types of grenades for paintball.
How many types are there?
We got a lot of different types. So we've got exploding ones here, little wire pull. We've got small smoke grenades. We've got large smoke grenades, and we've got some water balloon type paint grenades. So stay tuned to the end of this video because we're going to take all of these outside and we're going to throw them and see what they actually do. So first off, I'll start off with the wire pull grenades. These ones either red or pink fill 100 milliliters of actual paint or liquid inside. These things actually have a pull on the top, which you guys are going to see here near the end of the video. You're going to pull it, you're going to throw it, and this thing is actually going to make a loud boom, and paint's going to get shot everywhere.
Can you take it out of the package? Because we can't see it through the bag.
Because we're going to use it anyway, so that's fine.
Thank you.
We'll take it out. There you go. So pretty
that looks
much,
so much cooler out of the package.
There you go. Good idea, Mark. So this bad boy, like I said, there's a paint pouch on the inside of this holding either red or yellow, 100 milliliters of dye or paint, whatever you want to call it. Does have the pull tab ring at the top. So pretty much when you're ready to let this bad boy launch, you're going to hold on to it firmly with both fingers, pull the ring straight up, and you're going to chuck it. So within about 5 seconds after pulling the fuse, pretty much this thing is going to explode. It's very loud and it chucks paint, a lot of paint. So
it's on a timer as soon as the pin's pulled.
As soon as you pull the pin, I believe it's about 5 seconds. Once again, we're about to find out.
Okay.
And then this thing makes a very loud boom. So that was the wire pull paint grenade by Enola Gay. Next up, we're going to talk about the WP-40s. So this is the WP-40 smoke grenade. Same type of situation. You have the ring on the side. This one is actually, they measure it by duration of time, how long the actual grenade smokes for, and the cloud size. This is a 90-second burning smoke grenade with a cloud size of 3. So it puts out a good amount of smoke, not as much as the EG-18X, obviously, but so burns for 90 seconds. It's a cool burn, so it's pretty much guaranteed not to start any fires if you're on a dry field. And this is a cloud size of 3, so when you actually ignite this one, you pull the ring off to the side instead of straight up because there is an actual little flame that comes out once you pull the pin. So you're going to want to pull this one off to the side instead of straight up into your hand. Chuck that bad boy, it's going to burn for 90 seconds.
Now you said they're pretty much guaranteed. I would still recommend if it's a really dry summer hot day, ask your field owners or a ref if you can use it beforehand because they will still cause a
100%
fire.
agree if it's super dry. I mean, they are cool burning technically, but you never know with something that obviously can put out a flame. So check with your field owner. Next up, let's talk about the EG-18Xs. So these are the big boys. This thing puts out a ton of smoke. Burns for about a minute. It's got a cloud size of 8, so more than double, almost 2.5 times of what the WP-40 puts out. So the EG-18X burns for less time, but puts out a lot more smoke, which you guys are about to see. So, yep, same thing with this. It's got the pull ring here. And then once again, you're going to pull this bad boy off to the side instead of straight up, and then toss it and watch this thing put out a huge cloud of smoke. Lastly, we've got the BT. These are the M8 just paint grenades. These are simply to me, like a glorified water balloon full of paint that kind of shoots it everywhere.
Take it out. Take it out.
Okay. All right.
Yay.
We're going to get in there.
He's doing it, guys. He loves us.
So that's what I meant by this. So it's got like a little twirl thing down here, zip locked in. And then obviously up here, there's a pull pin. So this is the pull pin for this. You're going to pull the pin, and pretty much with these, you want to hit anything with a hard surface. If someone's inside of a building, or if you can hit them directly with this if you're good aim. So you pull the pin, and then you just chuck the sucker. So once again, it's like it's pretty much like a water balloon full of paint.
The first one that you showed, the first wire pull grenade, does that have paint in it as well?
The white, this one?
Yes.
Yeah. It's got 100 milliliters of either red or yellow inside of here. Okay. So you're going to pull it, you're going to chuck it, it's going to make a boom, and it's going to shoot paint everywhere. So that is that. Let's take all 4 of these bad boys outside and see what they have to offer. All right, guys, now that we're outside, we're going to start off with the lowest per se and kind of raise it up after that. We're doing the pull pin kind of water balloon type paint grenade, and we're going to be throwing it at Fitz. So let's go. So guys, it's going to be to pull the pin, pull this bad boy, and let her rip. Oh, yeah.
I saw the splatter.
I saw the splatter. So you guys, that was the water balloon type, the M8 BT. You got to hit a hard surface for it to actually explode. Fitz definitely has some all over his pants. So now,
check your hopper on your foot.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the wire pull exploding paint grenade. This thing is loud. It's got 100 milliliters of liquid inside. So let's do this. You ready, Mark?
Yeah, bet you can't hit his face.
Okay, here we go. Going live. Hold it with the 2 top fingers, pull the pin straight up, and we're gonna let this bad boy rip. Okay, that was a good one. He's out. Okay, going inside. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, up next is the wire pull smoke grenade, the WP-40, the one that burns for 90 seconds with the cloud range of 3. So you're gonna pull this grenade off to the side, not straight up, and we're gonna have Fitz demonstrate this bad boy. Go for it.
It's the fuse! It's the fuse!
Oh, he's getting smoky with it. It's a lot of blue going on over there, Mr. Fitz.
Now, obviously, normally you guys wouldn't wave it around like an idiot, so you could actually see how much it fills up, but, you know.
That's just the way Fitz does things around
It
here,
is
you know what I'm
Fitz
saying?
after all.
Okay. All right, yeah, everybody come. Everybody come on in. Welcome. Welcome to the shoot. Thanks, dude. Make sure to take these out of inventory. Fitz, it's still burning over there. Yeah, it's still burning. Told you it's gonna be probably got a good 90 seconds.
So obviously you want to use these on a less windy day because you can see how much of it's getting blown away.
Oh, you writing your name? Is that your signature? And it's still going. And it's still going. It's a little smoky. No big deal. No big deal. All right, Fitz. I feel like, why does it feel like it's so long, Mark?
Because we're watching it. It's like a toaster.
Oh, okay.
If you stare at it,
It's
it
like
takes
watching hair
forever.
grow. There we go. Now we're dead.
But actually, it's good, right? I mean, you don't want to buy one of these and have it go out in like 5 seconds.
That's very true. Now it's time for the big boy. Are you ready for this? Now we've got the EG18X. About a minute burn time, lots of smoke. Mark picked the orange one because it's gonna look good. Are you ready for this, sir? All right, well, you already know.
You want to throw it at me, huh?
Again, if you guys didn't pay attention, you pull it away from you, so, because it does have a little bit of a, and he's gone.
Told
I
you
lost
guys,
him.
that is a lot of smoke. Fitz, you gonna do a little dancing for me? Come on through the smoke, let's see it. Nope. Oh, there you go.
He doesn't follow
I can't even
directions.
see him at all. All gone. There he goes.
Where is he?
I don't
There
know.
he
Oh, there he is.
Little bit
Oh,
the window clear, yeah.
there he is.
Shirt.
There he is.
Sexy for my shirt, so sexy it hurts.
Did you guys like the music I put in there? A little, I'm too sexy for
Oh
this
yeah,
shirt.
that was a good one.
Yeah.
That just puts out a lot of these neighbors are probably like, what in the frick is going on?
Ah, can't cut the grass in the smoke, can you?
No, because you can't even see it. All right, so now that you guys saw what these smoke grenades can do, we're gonna head on inside. All right, guys, now that we're back inside, you guys saw what these things can actually do. Check them out on the website. Leave in the comments below which grenade you thought performed the best. Did you like the loud boom of the wire pulls, or would you rather go with something smaller or bigger? Let us know. LoneWolfPaintball.com. Hit up the online store. And if you guys have any questions, once again, put them below. Hit up the Ask Us Anything on Facebook. Follow us on the TikToks, the Twitters, the this, the that. LoneWolfPaintball.com. We're out of here.
I like the big smoke ones, my favorite. They're the 18s.
Of course. Yeah, because they put out a lot of
They're
smoke.
so pretty.
Yeah.
Yay.
Take it easy, guys.
See ya.